Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I have got another PR unboxing video for you. It's where brands get in touch with me asking if I'd like to be added to their PR list, and then they kindly randomly send me products throughout the year, usually new releases or offers or anything like that. So yeah, I'm really grateful to them for reaching out to me and wanting to send me these items. It means I get to share it with you as well, but also if I fall in love with any of them, then also I'm able to share my experience of trying them. I'm under no contract or no obligation to post, so there's no sponsorship involved. So I thought I'd do these little monthly, bi-monthly videos just to give you a brief overview of what I've been sent and what is currently out there. So I've got 5 different PR mailers. I'll pop the brands down below in my description, so if you want to learn a little bit more about the products in the video, then you're welcome to take a look. But yeah, let's start off then with Tarte. I received this a few weeks ago when I was away for a weekend with my friends. Got my daughter to open it up and she was like, oh my gosh, you're gonna love this, mum. You're gonna love it. And it also came with a macaron as well. She ate that. But I got some information about the products, but I didn't know who was it from. So I'm guessing it's from Sephora, because I sometimes get the odd PR mailer from Sephora, and obviously Tarte is available on Sephora, but Tarte has never been in contact with me. So if it is Tarte or Sephora or anybody else and you're watching this, thank you so much. But look at this packaging. It is so gorgeous. And I've got blushes. Oh, look at them. Look. So what are these called? Macaron Blush and Glow. So I've got 4 of them there. Instantly drawn to those two. Contains maracuja to brighten and smooth, diamond powder to blur and soften, vitamin E moisturising antioxidants, peptides reduce the look of lines, squalene moisturizes, shea butter conditions. Oh, it just says there. Available at Sephora, online and in store. Oh, it's from Sephora then. Thank you so much, Sephora. So let's give you a bit of a swatch. This is pink champagne. So you've got a cream and then you've got a powder. Look how pretty, really pretty. Got the blush cream, a dewy, watery glow blush. That's so pretty and quite subtle, and I'm assuming that can be buildable. And they've got the powder highlight then, which is really pretty as well. Oh, that is so pretty. This is Honey Blossom. Whoa, oh my gosh, why on earth did I do that? There's a cream, put it down there. Turn it over. Look at that blush. So that's that one down there. Then we've got another one that looks like I'm gonna love. Strawberry Bliss. Yeah, I think this one is very similar to one of my favorites at the moment. I cannot stop wearing it. It's by Danessa Merrick's Yummy Skin in Rose and Brunch. And yeah, it's exactly the same. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Yeah, this one is the favourite so far. Can you see at the top there? You've got the cream down the bottom and the powder at the top. That's so pretty. I wonder how much they are. They don't say, do they? It's Strawberry Bliss. That is my favourite so far. And then lastly, we've got Toasted Coconut. Look. Let's try that. Where should I do that on the side there? I should do my other hand, shouldn't I really? Or clean my hand in between. Oh, I really like that one. That's a little bit more subtle. Okay, it's those there. Can you see? So the cream is on the top and the highlight is on the bottom there. Yeah, really pretty. Still love this one though, the Strawberry Bliss one. These are such gorgeous wearable colours. Thank you Tarte and Sephora for sending that out to me. And my daughter said that the macaron was gorgeous too. Then I got La Roche-Posay, and they've kindly sent me 2 different mailers, but I put them in the same bag. So I'll just get out the products. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before. Oh yes, I did a Look Fantastic Beauty Picks haul. If you follow me over on Instagram, you might have seen one of my monthly videos where I choose a couple of items from Look Fantastic. Could be new, or it could be items that I absolutely love and I'm just repurchasing. And this was one of them. This is the Cicaplast Balm B5 Plus. Hopefully I am saying that correct. Apologies if I'm not. I've got one there. So I've got two now. I use it on my incisions. Actually, I think I've mentioned it on a YouTube video as well. I've had an arm lift, armpit lift and a breast lift, and I'm using silicone gel, silicone tape, but in between I am massaging and I use this cream. I compared it to lots of other scar treatments and things like that. Yes, I need silicone. Silicone is like the gold standard for scar care. But this cream in particular is so healing and gentle and calming, and yeah, it's just really rated high compared to all other out there scar particular creams and moisturizers, and it feels really nice as well. So I'll just give you a little sneak peek of what my arms are looking like. I posted a video over on Instagram a few days ago, so I've got a few little lumps there that are flattening. They will all flatten down. Obviously I've got scar tape on there. This little part's just come off. Anyway, those are my scars so far. They're looking bright red, a little bit raised. That's quite normal. They will lighten up and redness will all fade and everything like that and flatten over the next couple of months or so. From about 6 to 9 months is when they'll really make a turn in how they look. So I'm really grateful that I've got another one. Thank you to Roche-Posay, but they've also sent me these two as well. So I've got here B5 serum. This is Suractivated serum, anti-wrinkle concentrate, repairing, replumping, 4 hyaluronic acid system with B5. And there's 30 mils there. It's so nice, isn't it? Newly improved serum. And it says, our skin plumping duo that penetrate deep within your skin's surface layers to visibly help smooth the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles in 1 week and enhance the feeling of elasticity. Alongside the serum, they've sent me the firming, soothing, replumping, Suractivated cream. Again, just lovely packaging, isn't it? La Roche-Posay have some beautiful skincare. Oh, really nice. I was just going to say, is that sealed? It's not. I just want to try a little bit on my hand. Oh, it feels nice. Yeah, my skin is super dry at the minute. Really, really dry. So thank you so much to La Roche-Posay for sending these out to me. Why am I showing you the leaflets? I don't know. And then I've got here, oh my gosh, you know I love Erborian. I absolutely adore Erborian, especially their CC Red Cream. And they sent me a couple of items. One thing is really unique. Look how beautiful this is. The presentation is gorgeous, isn't it? That is so, so nice. So let's get this plant out the way. So we've got a Centella Red Serum, Centella Barrier Cream. I haven't tried these two before. Then we've got the gorgeous cream I really like, especially when my face is really struggling with flushing. And then we have got this beautiful little stress ball thing. I'll get that out and show you. I haven't had a proper feel yet, but I've been squishing it through the box and oh, I've been dying to get in there. Okay, so with these two then, Soothe Redness with new Centella Red Serum. Concentrated redness relief serum with 2% Korean Centella asiatica to calm irritation and boost moisture. It reduces visible redness, suitable for sensitive skin. So there's that. Okay, there's 30 mils there. We've got Skin Barrier with new Centella Barrier Cream. Moisturizers with 2% Korean Centella asiatica and ceramide to nourish and strengthen your skin barrier. Ideal for normal to dry and sensitive skin. That sounds really, really nice. We've got the most gorgeous cream. If you do suffer from redness, this is gorgeous. It's really lovely. I've got a little short video on here of me testing it out. So have they changed this? It's new. It's new. So what have they added to it? Neutralize redness with new CC Red Correct. New formula with 2% Korean Centella asiatica and SPF 30. Starts off green and a little bit scary, but look. it changes into more of a foundation colour. Now it is one colour. It's supposed to be universal. I would say that if you're super, super pale, you probably won't like this. But even though I am pale, I really like it because once you blend it all in, it doesn't look bad, as you can tell. Yeah, you can it just looks like I've got a bit of a more of a glow on my hand, doesn't it? But it's so good at neutralising redness. So if my skin is particularly flared up, then yeah, I'll always use that. And then this gorgeous thing, Step Into Your Soothed Self. It's a memory gel stress loop. I have never seen this before. This is by Specs. Look. Oh, that is so, it's like a memory foam mattress. You know, can you see how squishy that is? Oh, that is so, so satisfying. And you can stretch it, and I just want to sniff it. I would love it if it smelled of lime. It doesn't. It's got a really strong, rubbery smell. It just feels so nice. I love this. I really, really love this. I know my kids are going to be wanting to have a go at this as well. So yeah, so we've got a stress balllet. So thank you so much to Erborian. Erborian send out the most gorgeous PR gifts. And I cannot wait to try these two products and obviously see what's new about the cream as well. So yeah, really, really happy with that. And then I've got a L'Oreal one here. Now this is unlike anything I've ever had before, so I'm going to leave that one until last. Package from Pixie. Pixie kindly sent me a couple of their products. 3 items here. There's no information in the box or anything. We've got an SPF on the Glow Shield. There's travel friendly solid sunscreen moisturizer used on face, lips, body and hair. Oh, that's what it looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. Can you see? It's quite shimmery, but not shimmery as in full-on glitter. That's just really pretty. That'd be really nice on the face. It isn't tinted or anything, but it's just got a really gorgeous glow. Look at the difference to my other hand. I like that. Then we've got some After Sun sheets. Soothing infusion sheet masks with aloe vera, cucumber and chamomile. I don't like sitting out in the sun. I'm factor 50 head to toe. I can't sunbathe. Find it absolutely boring. So I never buy After Sun or anything like that because I'm not in the sun long enough. Well, I am, but I'm wandering around and doing things. So my skin never gets burnt, nothing. But this might be just nice to apply on the skin, feeling hot and flushed. In the sun. So no, thank you. I keep that for the summer. And then we've got an EOD cleansing oil. There's 150 mils here. This plant-based cleansing oil effectively removes makeup and sunscreen while it nourishes and soothes skin. Perfect for everyday use and for all skin types, formulated without fragrance. So thank you so much to Pixie for sending these out to me. I'll be saving them more for the warmer months. So on to the last PR mailer then I was sent. Oh, this is from L'Oreal. Wait until you see this. Glass skin in a snap. Pump Glow Soothe Skin. So I've got a hydrogel mask there. Look at this. I got a giant lolly. That is huge. And inside it are 3 skincare items. Boots kindly sent this to me, so thank you so much to Boots. And let's open up then. Oh, it's broken. Oh, that would be easy to get into. Look, it's on a stick. Yeah, it's broken on the back there. Look. What is it? Strawberry. I think it is. It's all edible. It's how amazing is that? It's come off in chunks. We will make an attempt to eat it for sure. It's just one massive edible tray. So the products, they do need a bit of a wash actually. So we've got here Revitalift Hyaluron Aqua Fluid SPF 30. Oh, handy, handy. I'm more of an SPF 50 in the summer months, but this time of year I use 30. Okay, so we've got 2 of those. And then we have got Glass Skin. I've heard so many people talk about this. It's supposed to be really, really lovely. But this is a liquid cream, Glass Skin liquid cream, hyaluronic acids, and vitamin B3 and B5 and C. This really needs a good clean. Let's try a bit on this hand here. Feels really nice. I think I've just put it on the same hand as I put the other cream on. Never mind. And then we've got the sheet mask as well. And this is Glass Skin Hydrogel Glow Mask. Turns clear in an hour and a half. So thank you so much to Boots and L'Oreal for sending this very, very unique PR mailer out to me. Yeah, the kids are going to be like, oh, what the heck? When they see it. It's just mad. It's just mad. It's just like a massive ashtray or a dog's bowl. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you've tried any of the products that you've seen in this video, I'd love to know your thoughts, what you think of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. And as always, a huge thank you to you, because if it wasn't for you, then I would not be able to do videos like this. So thank you. Take care. Bye.